Hi guys, welcome to another the video. Yeah, I know, right? And also, I mean, oh my god. Anyways, I've done a triple upload this whole entire day. This is good. Doing a triple upload on my first day of YouTube and sipping on some kombucha is good. Oh my god, that's sour. And if you're wondering what kombucha is, it's kind of like a health thing. I don't really know. It tastes good to me. Don't ask. You probably don't really know. Anyways, I don't know if you've heard about it, but in Roblox there's this thing called Rockefeller Street with a big thing that says meme on it. So I'm here to investigate that. That tastes nice. And let's see what it's about. If you guys don't know what Rockefeller Street is, there's this thing called nightcore music. It's kind of like this very hyped up version of normal music. So wait, repeats? What? Wait, can you guys? Oh wait, can you guys hear that? What the heck? Oh my god. So, like I was saying, this is annoying music. Okay. So Nightcore's like this very hyped up version of, songs that has been in the past. And there's this thing called Rockefeller Street. And, oh my god, this is so loud for me. So, anyways, and there's this one called oh my, what is happening? Anyways, there's this thing called Rockefeller Street, and it's this meme, and everyone loves it. And if you want to find it, I'm gonna leave a link, 'cause it's good. Anyway, let's turn the music up. Ow, that's way too loud. It's good, okay, I like it. Wait, this guy, shush! Okay, anyways, this guy, look at this guy. This guy has listened to this song for 878. What the? Oh my god, it came to the chorus again. This is so weird. Keep moving. Sorry guys, I just like this song so much. Anyways, oh my god. What is this guy? Why is he so big? What the heck? I want to at least get one repeat on this, guys. But this guy's listened to the song for 878 times. What the? Like, even I love this song that much, but not that much to listen it to 878 times. Oh my. That is, what? Oh my god. Wait for it. Yeah, okay, let's leave. So, this has been a very bad thing. It's been spreading all over the internet, and I'll show it to you right here. Well, actually, yeah, I'll show it right here. It's called, like I said, it's called Rockefeller Street, and everyone knows the chorus. It's called 1273. See, look, it just comes up when you type a few numbers. Look, it's weird though, right? I don't know if you can hear this though. Anyways, I don't know if you know this, you probably do, but it's called Jailbreak. And I absolutely hate it. Sorry if this triggers you, but I am allowed to have opinion. That tastes nice. Anyways, like I said, Jailbreak. I do not like this, but we're gonna try to get this baby. Of course, everyone likes to be a prisoner. Let's do that, boy. Anyways, I've been pretty experienced. So as you can see, I have $2,000 in the game, which is like so good. These guys only have almost $1 million. That is just so bad. Like, look, what the heck? I just joined a thing. Why have I done this? Oh my god. As you can see, that police officer is dumb and doesn't know that I'm punching this box. Wait. There you go. This is pro life tip for every Jailbreak fan out there. Where you have to punch the doors. Damn this! Okay. As I was saying, you have to punch this with... Oh. I didn't do anything! Okay. Go away! No! Oh, he's gonna... Oh, wait. Oh, why is he following me? Oh, my god. Oh. Okay. Let's go! I might add some music in here while I'm punching this, because I can. Okay. No! Oh, yes, let's run! Run! Oh! Dodge the bullets! Okay. Oh my god, am I getting shot? Shoot that girl, please. Yes. Now they probably... What the heck? Why is there fire? Anyways, I know the other way. Wait. Oh, wait. I haven't been here since the old update. They probably don't have it here anymore. Oh, yeah, they don't. Damn it. Ah! Okay. Oh, I think I'm fine now. I think I'm safe. Okay, yeah, they definitely got rid of the exploding wall. Oh wait, no, they haven't. Haha. Little did they realize I could just explode a wall with nothing. Haha. Look at this. You can in Jailbreak. This is knowledge here. You can explode a wall with your bare fists. This is a normal thing in Jailbreak. As you can see, look at this. Oh wow. I haven't seen it in grass. I was here when it was all snowy. And my friend was hacking the game when I was speed hacking the game, and I was just standing in prison. Oh, that tastes good. Anyways, now, no, they stole my car. Wait, I think I can get in. Oh wait, no. Also, I've upgraded this car to like ultimate good, so I'm just gonna rob a few banks. You're probably thinking, well, that's dumb. Since you're inexperienced, you shouldn't do that. Well, obviously, I don't care. Go away. The people would think that. Jeez. See, look, in the garage, I've played this a little bit, so I know. Look at that. Look at the engine. It's a level 5. Ooh, think it's good? Well, it is good. Haha, look at my baby now. Yay. Oh, wait, there's a fire truck. I mean, the fire truck, right? 19,000. That isn't that much. That's not that much. So, wait. Did they add a new... Wait, can you? Oh, wait, tell me you can. That really coming soon. Why would you add something when it's coming soon? That's so dumb. Oh, yeah. Should we? No, I don't want to bore you guys for waiting for too long. Even though I can cut it. It's even boring for me. So, where's the bank again? I'm such a noob at this. Oh, we could just rob the jewelry store if that's not the jewelry store. This is, I don't know if you feel, oh wait, there's the bank. Wait, can you run over people in this game? He's got the Tron bike. Sorry, mate, but I'm a guy like, oh! So guys, I don't know, but I'm a pro at, I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a pro. I say that when I'm not. I'm a pro at this, as you can tell. Like, oh, look at those look at those skills, like, look at that, I'm the one that totally, oh, I thought that was someone, oh, no, what, I'm rage quitting, screw this. We're gonna play a different game. A more better game called, not Mad City, but I don't. Phantom Forces. There's my boy. Anyways, this is the holy game. The holy game. It's been for 11 minutes. I don't know if you can see that. That means I only have 4 minutes in this game. I'm gonna change it so I can do like a 20-minute thing. Cause, you know, I can. Delicately brewed kombucha. Oh my god. Tastes so good! Anyways. Keep moving if you wanna know what's been the groove. Sorry guys, I'm just too addicted to that song. It's just good, and it's just Guten Morgen. I don't know if you guys know what Guten Morgen means. It means good morning in French, and I just use it to say good, like amazing in some terms. So anyways, I've played this one time, and look at my ultimate newbie thing. It's a AK-12. It's good, isn't it? Look at my holy scope and skin. Looks good, doesn't it? Not. Anyways, let's kill these suckers and show them who's boss. Wait. Oh my god. Oh! What? Oh wait, he has an AK-12 too! How could he do that? Dude, we were buddies! Oh my god, sorry guys. Wait, is that just a... Oh my god. Run! Ah! Oh my god, how? He has 70 health and I killed... What the... Yeah? I'm recording something! Anyways, guys, sorry about that. That was just my sister. A teammate spot. Wait, why would you get plus points just... Ah, it doesn't really matter. I should... Wait, can I just steal the... Oh, no! Whoa, what the... No. I'm rage quitting! See ya, guys, Galaxy out. See ya. This is too annoying. See ya. Come on, shift